We believe in a human-first, AI-assisted approach rather than just focusing on technology, but we need to make sure that we grow our impact. My name is Jean-Marc Sitworthy. I am the Director for Marketing and Student Recruitment at the Northwest University. We have a program that's been running for about 37 years. It's called Ikateleng. We're helping about 1,000 learners per annum. The learners actually perform about 20 to 30% better than their specific cohorts. But the reality is the impact is limited in terms of the number of learners that we can reach. Our whole mission in terms of working with Mindjoy was to make sure that we try and scale and give more access to more learners in terms of not only the content, but also preparing them for a future view of what these technology tools will be able to do. And it's the best way to actually get learners to interact with these tools.
The Ikateleng program helps us improve our marks.
And they even gave us the study guideline, so they have more information.
I was able to learn a lot about how to use AI, how to make it work to my advantage.
I get a change of scenery from my school, and that helps me be more open-minded.
The pipeline in terms of STEM is very important because you're sitting with about 38,000 learners per annum with a 60+ average in maths. And obviously from a university perspective that has about 70% of our courses and programs requiring maths, we need to make sure that that pipeline is strengthened.
I was thinking of being psychiatrist.
I would like to study astrophysics.
I want to do electrical engineering.
I wanna be a doctor. I wanna save lives, and that's why I'm pushing so hard.
Working with the people and just seeing how the program has developed, it has great potential for specifically school learners where they are struggling with certain concepts and they can kind of do it in a self-directed way rather than just focusing on it in the classroom where the teacher needs to be involved as well.